Leader of Dayah Mudi Mesra Samalanga, Tengku Haji Hasanul Basri bin Haji Gading, known as Abu Mudi, expressed his hope that the vaccination of santri and teachers taking place in the Dayah could be an example for other Dayahs in Aceh. This was conveyed by Abu Mudi when receiving a visit from the Aceh Regional Secretary Taqwallah on the sideline of the mass vaccination process for 1,000 of santri and Dayah teacher, Tuesday, October 26, 2021. Abu Mudi stated that on behalf of the leader of the Dayah, he strongly supports vaccination for mutual safety in the effort to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Vaccination at the Dayah Mudi Mesra targeted 2,609 people starting at 8 a.m. By noon, the officer had managed to vaccinate up to 1,000 santri. Taqwallah then immediately reviewed the ongoing vaccination process for the 1,000 of Santriwan, teachers, and Santriwati of the Dayah. It seemed that the vaccination process received quite an enthusiastic response from the Santri. There were 19 vaccination locations that were specially distributed in the Dayah area. Taqwallah was also seen visiting every vaccination point and greeting the students and vaccines officer.